NASA's Near Space Network delivers critical communications and navigation services to missions observing the Earth, studying the Sun, and exploring the Moon and beyond. Through our network, spacecraft can send different types of data back to Earth, anything from an astronaut talking to mission control, a science image of a neutron star, and so much more. This Earth-space connection, known as space communications and navigation, connects missions out to 2 million kilometers away with scientists and operators on Earth. Beyond that, our sister network, the Deep Space Network, handles the job. The Near Space Network project seamlessly orchestrates communications and navigation services through a network of global antennas and relay satellites, including both government and commercial resources. Government-owned infrastructure is maintained, sustained, and enhanced by the Access project. Relationships with new commercial service providers, missions, and other government agencies are developed by the Commercialization, Innovation, and Synergies Office. Through this model, we support missions, provide new capabilities to users, and increase resiliency, security, and interoperability. The Near Space Network acts as a one-stop shop for missions, providing communications analysis, service agreements, mission planning, and more. The network leverages a broad spectrum of capabilities, negotiating on behalf of all missions to provide cost-effective, proficient, and secure services. As a result, missions have robust and reliable services that fully support their objectives from the launch pad to landing. Once data reaches Earth, our partners at NASCOM deliver data to researchers around the world. The network also collaborates with NASA's Spectrum Management Office, which ensures electromagnetic signal protection prior to launch, and the Flight Dynamics Facility, which plans trajectories, tracks missions, and coordinates on-orbit maneuvers. Missions can confidently rely on the expertise of the Space Communications and Navigation Program, which has a legacy of excellence in managing NASA communication services. Looking to the future, the Near Space Network will continue that storied history as NASA reaches for new heights for the benefit of all.